Hello everyone and welcome to the latest installment of my vlog. Before we begin today, I wanted to make a point to you guys. It seems like all I do is build a couple spec houses a year, give you a couple of walkthroughs before and after, but that's in fact only a small part of what I do. Every year I help over 30 buyers and sellers find a new home. And this year was no exception. In 2024, we sold 30 homes. We helped dozens of buyers and sellers all across Long Island. And it's my construction background that allows me to provide a level of insight to my clients that most other realtors simply can't deliver. And I want to say thank you to all of you because you would never believe it. But every year, people like you from YouTube and Instagram trust me with one of the most important transactions of their life. Now, without further ado, I introduce you to my latest project in Bellmore. We put this entire house up in just 10 weeks. We dug this hole in the middle of October and beat the winter, and it's freezing here today. You can see that the wind is whipping. You can probably hear it in the mic. But today I'm gonna take you inside to a house that just 10 weeks ago didn't exist. And we've hooked up to water, we've hooked up to sewer, we're just waiting for natural gas, we've got electric already hooked up to the house, and next week we're insulating and doing the sheetrock, and then we have to wait until we have natural gas and get the heat on before we can get the wood floors in and start the interior finish work. So follow me inside. A lot of what you see here today is very familiar. There's a certain level of consistency and finish that I like to include in every single Pinnacle home that we build, like 2x6 frame, Anderson 400 series windows, Advantech subfloor, spray foam insulation, and just an insane level of insight. Any material you see here, I personally ordered, and some of them I even picked up myself. I hate to admit that. But that's how we're able to move so quickly and provide a high level of service. And most of the time, our homes are either in contract at this phase or shortly thereafter, so people can pick their interior finishes. Now, typically we build a max for any lot that we have. So this is Bellmore Schools. We have a 50 by 100 lot, so we built approximately a 2,600 square foot house, and everybody wants everything, right? They want a bedroom on the first floor. They want a living, dining, kitchen, family room, and so on. So we did a double height entry foyer. We have a bedroom to our left with a closet. We also have a coat closet there. We've got a nice big dining space here, and the 9-foot ceilings really shine here. It gives you a nice feel, and you have this really nice open concept beyond this dining room. Everybody wants the big family room. They want the gas fireplace. They want the TV over the fireplace, so we got that included. Lots of natural light through these Anderson windows. We've got the sliders to the backyard. Come on and check this out for a sec. We're just about ready to start grading and get the fence in. We did this 4-inch concrete slab underneath this patio. So this is not gonna sag, it's not gonna settle. As soon as we get this graded up, if we catch a couple of nice days with the weather, we'll get the in-ground sprinklers installed. Obviously, we can't turn those on until the spring. And then right ahead of us is this kitchen. And everybody wants the same stuff, right? They want the big island, they want the wall oven, they want, the nice range hood vented directly outside. So we've got all that going on here. The kitchen's gonna go in an L shape with the fridge starting here, some counter space, cooktop with a range hood. It's gonna wrap around this way and continue with the sink centered to the window. And then at the end here, the kitchen ends just about here. We're gonna do a wall oven microwave combo with an island running this way. So you'll have this really nice flow between the kitchen and the family room. And then we've got a full bath, a little mudroom area, and a pantry for the kitchen. Remember, the coat closet was by the front door, so this can actually be part of the kitchen. And then we weren't able to get a full 1-car garage in this house, so we did a 10 by 10 storage, but you still have that look from the outside, and you have a full garage door, so your snowblower, bikes, whatever, summer stuff, you can keep it all tucked away in there. And of course, there's no limitations as far as, sheds you can put in the backyard. So now, we're gonna head upstairs, where we have 4 bedrooms and 2 additional baths. It's unusual to have such a nice landing in a home of this size, but the architect was able to accomplish something really nice here. We have this nice and open hallway with a railing, the 2-story foyer, and the chandelier are gonna go right there, and it really makes this house seem larger than it actually is. On this level, we have 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths, as well as a laundry. So bedroom number 1 is right here, and it's everything that you've come to expect. Anderson windows, hi-hats, pre-wired for TV and internet, 2x6 frame as we mentioned with the Advantech subfloor. We've got 2 more bedrooms over here. One on this side, one on this side. We've got a laundry with a drain. This is an emergency drain that pipes straight outside in case your washing machine fails. We're gonna do a liner here, just like in a shower. Hard pipe dryer vent. We've got a full bath for the kids right there. 3rd bedroom right there. And here we have a double door going to this primary suite. We have a separate closet, 2 walk-ins with lights. We put lights in all our closets. Typically, we have the bed facing the doorway, so the bed's gonna go right here. We've pre-wired in the logical spot for each bedroom for TV and internet. We've also put a wireless access point in the hallway because who likes a weak Wi-Fi signal? And in this primary bath, we have a double vanity, room for a cabinet, the toilet over here. We're gonna have a soaking tub and a custom tiled shower. We made this really nice niche right here, which is gonna be inlaid with marble and some type of mosaic. We've got Kohler shower fixtures. We're gonna do a handheld as well as a gooseneck rain head shower. And like I said, this is the phase where people usually come in, and if they wanna pick their tile, their wood floor stain, their paint colors, cabinets, countertops, appliances, over the next couple of weeks, we're gonna be making all those decisions. Originally, I had planned to deliver this house in April, but we're a little bit ahead of schedule right now, so it's very feasible that I'll be able to deliver this house in March, and at the time of filming, we're just starting the new year, so Happy New Year, everyone. Now, right here is the key difference between a new construction and a renovation. When we build a new home, we knock down the old house, we dig a new hole that's obviously deeper than the old hole, and we start fresh. New sewer, new water, new gas from the street. There's nothing at all carrying over from the old house. So with that, we were able to get an 8-foot basement here. We've got our water service. We're hooking up to sewer today. I literally had to move the guys out of here. You can see the tools all over the floor just to make this video for you guys. Look at how beautiful this electric work is. Shout out to Doug. We did a car charger. We did a wall oven here. We also ran all your low voltage to one spot. We even have a doorbell wire that's run here, so you don't have to keep charging your Ring doorbell every couple of weeks. Believe it or not, in this area, we use Liberty Water, and they don't run that 1-inch K copper in the ground. This is actually PEX going all the way from here out to the street, and just today, they set that water meter and gave us water, so now we can continue with the masonry without having to bring 5-gallon drums of water to the job site. So we've got our outside entrance here. We've got our gas furnace and 75-gallon hot water heater. And we're gonna get this all cleaned up this week and get ready for spray foam, which is already scheduled. We have one more inspection, then we're gonna close up these walls, and then it's a straight run all the way to the finish line. This basement entrance really makes such a difference for people, especially when you plan to finish the basement in the future. We did this really nice stucco yesterday as well on the walls, so it looks finished. We capped it with this really nice border here. And this patio really makes this backyard space enjoyable from the first day you walk in. Many builders don't include the patio. They say that it'll settle in the future. We avoid that by just doing a 4-inch concrete slab and doing a proper patio from the get-go. We've got camera wires out here. We're gonna wrap this whole area with PVC fencing, sod, sprinklers, perfectly graded, flower beds, mulch, shrubs, everything that you've come to expect from our builds. And if you don't believe me, just scroll back on the YouTube channel and you'll be able to see so many projects just like this and exactly how we're gonna deliver this home. Thank you everyone for taking the time to watch our video tour. As always, we're gonna bring you back when we're finished to show you the amazing finish work. Hopefully we have a buyer by then. Once again, thank you for your time. I appreciate your support. And please don't forget to follow us on Instagram. @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Have a great day, everyone.